Female goes by the name Eyvett Folder shot and killed in Fletcher's Avenue. People, the man them deal with the lady who my people, you see me, and the lady was just bringing her son to school, or little daughter I should say, one little 3-year-old to school, and people, it's sad my people, you see me, I can't even share the video or the full pic because it contains some graphics where YouTube policy not really allow, you see my people. But of course my people, it's not a good look my people, them lick down the bigger man my people, you see me, right in front of her little 3-year-old daughter where she carry out to school for the first my people, you see me. And of course it's a youth that even know, like I can't even know how to talk about this my people, you see me. But I just want to leave some condolences down below in the comment section, you see me, to the family my people. Make sure say on subscribe to the channel if this is your first time watching the channel, and share the video, make the video reach out on some other platform my people, you see me. But as I say, the one I saw my people, and this lady is from the Fletcher's Avenue area, so if anyone of you guys familiar with that area or this lady, you can make know go on in the comment section because all of this, because until now we don't really get no update my people. We just hear say how she a walk and gunman just pull up my people and lick her down, you see me, and we know say it must have come from something, you see me, because it wasn't a robbery or nothing like that. But people, we have exclusive also coming up, we have to share with you guys right now. You see me, some people, so stay tuned. By the way, we are just jump right to this, my people, you see me?
Get Pobo up. Call Pobo, get him up. Call your father, tell him to get Pobo on the program, please. Please. Because we want justice and we want to find out the truth. It don't make no sense to me having just Pee-wee. Get Pobo. Get Pobo. Cook say then did they get crops. Let them come up.
Mama Shernet, watch out now. What them want do, you know, them want sing me if it look like say yo me involved in a thing with me.
But that is what they are pushing you under, because it was just you alone and that video. And part have been taken out of that video. You understand? So most likely you are going to underneath it, because you are the one beside Niah, and they are saying, not they, but we are saying you see everything. I am not going to say I did not say that, because you are the ideal person that we were all waiting for. I understand. Hold on now, Pee-wee. Now that since you are out, somebody please run go get Pobo them. It's a case of emergency. Because you see, after the interview here, we know where it's gonna go. Alright? Please somebody.
Pobo they not see live. Pobo them are watch live right now, you know. And them no want come up, you know.
But you know what me notice? They never want to come up on no live when me they on. And they choose to go on every other live. And me and Niah mother, no care what them do or what them not do, it can't remove. So at the end of the day, they never have the chance and they never want to talk to me. Why?
Watch your next style with them pull. Watch your next style with them pull when they say, oh, me and Grizzly Bear alone, the dog really want to run it. They say, oh, Niah mind me. Niah buy me thing there.
Niah take care of everyone and friends them. Me hear them a talk say, Niah used to wear Pobo clothes. Niah never put on Pobo clothes because Pobo Niah was just a stick them. No way. No way. Niah never put on Pobo clothes.
Lady, just shut up my head and you talk, man.
Being for them. And you know that.
And then you can ask question.
Even when they come down here, it's Niah pocket. Everything come out. Everything. If I want split, a Niah pocket. If I want whistler, a Niah pocket. I mean, know that for a fact.
Auntie, watch your style no man where them a try use now. They say a Niah buy me thing them when me is a youth I was the whole day all out in the street. You see it when me was out in the street. Me I sell one, dog them I sell one slippers for $2,000. Me I put 5 days on it. The 5 days are for me and them I pay them money and so come me can buy 1 shirt and 1 pants and 1 slippers and 1 underpants. You see me?
You don't want to ask them? You don't ask them? How much fun Niah have on him that night?
One phone Niah they have on him and his laptop and it tablet. No, he never have. He have a tablet out there too, I believe.
So you have the tablet, the laptop, and his phone. And the phone is on the live.
No, he never have the tablet and they have a laptop and a phone. Because then they take away one of them phone them. Then they take away one of them phone them, then they hold up one youth and take away him bike. Take away him bike and one of Niah phone them.
Okay.
So the youth will have Niah phone.
Yeah, one youth, Niah, like, him and Niah go somewhere and Niah give me phone and he end up. I throw a film bike and a friend there so and then hold him up. Gunman hold him up and take away bike and everything we have for him.
Okay, so please, may I ask a question? So the camera at the house, so is the front camera work?
Yeah.
Is the front camera at the house work?
The back camera.
Just the back camera, the front camera not working?
The back camera lead back to the community and through this everybody walk when them go watch fall or fight or something. And around this whole things them put on and then wear the camera around there.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So, how much time have you and Niah ever going in encounter with Sean I? How much time you ever see with Niah? 4 times?
5 times.
You can explain them?
Me and Niah, in calling Niah, me there on Niah. The first time. The second time, me and Niah, me come from Veer. You see them the time there, me come from Veer. And me and Niah drive good on our yard, them the time they are done the Niah there, done a new harbor. You see it? And me hear him say to Niah, tell Niah, say if you left, get to alone. You see it? Cause I don't know what make you say so, you know, but me no rate them, you know. You see it? Cause me hear say their name called for body business. You see it? So me no rate them.
Alright, so the thing is now, your website, you say, it's nothing you can go on in the community and people have to know. And you call couple name, but you don't talk, but they doesn't want you to talk. So who are the main person in the community? As we say, if that happens, all of them would have to know.
Leonard. From Leonard and Crush Bread start them fooling this Crush Bread, the 80 local youth, them can no local youth now team up with him and do no fuck every youth that prove to make money. You see me? So, Leonard, Crush Bread, obviously say Leonard make man murder and family, murder and little brother. Which is I see him little brother will tell me say him a shot man in my head. You see it and I make sure go tell the dog straight say Ray, a man I tell me that a man I see me and tell me that he might kill my friend. And me and my friend we can kill you. You can't do me that. Me no run them the joke there. You see it?
Alright, so now
Leonard say no. Yeah.
No, stop him here. The Becky say what say a while ago. You hear Leonard say what?
Me I say Leonard. Me hear Leonard say he no know me. You see Leonard, me go over Leonard 1 day, go do 2 days, go do 2 day work. You see it? But he really don't know me for true because if he didn't know me, he would tell me, he would make me dead. Because he know say my uncle and Crush Bread them go do fuckery. You see it? Pop done in camera. Pop done in camera and try burn down in house. You see, but true me I know youth way. I know violence me I deal with me. I try to make money and try happy and alright. And them them me prefer. You see it? Them the life them me rather. Many life you can go anywhere and feel happy and alright.
So, let me ask that question now. Because as I say, most of them are most youth, them now come straight to certain question. So we'll go back to the old situation we're going to talk about Crush Bread, we're going to talk about Leonard first. And we want to get to the whole story with people, the whole story what people are saying about what happened about the $1 million talk.
Alright. When me come, I saw come me know say $1 million talk me. You see? Cause the dog tell me straight say, you know, say them boy are pre me dog. You see? First, $1 million talk really come in. You see me? The mayor said them I say Niah make money. You see? And Niah buy gun. You see me? That them I say, so them want a piece of food from Niah.
Them where you buy them?
From cattle.
Where is them? Where you buy them?
Crush bread send man come say to him, the little man them. Say if he no get money, man are dead. Because him brother, Biggs and Diddy, cousin catch up and he lick him man out a shovel. He look how youth out a shovel and the youth can link him bigger cause where him and Biggs in a age group. And you defend in little cousin.
So hold on. So you said Biggs beat up the local youth first and the local youth got to go for the bigger cousin and the cousin attack him back.
And cousin defend the local youth and the local youth joke him with a knife. That's it. So him Crush Bread come in and say no. If a man there $1 million him want, and if a man there no run money, if a man there no run $1 million, man are dead and if dirt are dead, Niah go dead and cattle go dead. You see me? And he run a program upon the youth them. You see it? Them that time they must alive. One big man way. You see me? Run off one place a town alive. And at them they set a youth there from over Pink Lane with him. Crush Bread they live. You see it? Him Crush Bread they live. Him set a youth them in then a youth to come try kill off the youth them and I tell it and I say I chat up somebody then they alive a long time all day they then cut off and bury nobody can find them Yeah. You see me? The man they run away. Messiah then run away. The cattle then run away. When they talk on me. That's it. But when the action, when they come back, me don't know what kind of organization them come under. When action take place, every man did a sit down and cool and easy so. Every man I go up on TikTok live, every man stay so.
So we are trying to say when $1 million talk happen, everybody run away, but Niah dead and nobody no run away.
And Niah dead, nobody no run away. All of them did they live in a dog style.
Yeah,
that's it. All of them did they bleach out and full of tattoo. Buy up mad clothes, mad beats and some local style. And I go on like say, they don't know what them a do. I play a mind game, I try to sing somebody who really don't know nothing about what take place. You see me? Somebody who don't know about nothing what really take place, them I try to sing. They want police kill me because watch I know. Honestly, they know if me find out, me hurt them and me not go around, not come and talk because my brother didn't hurt. And me tell Father God when they kill me God brother, you would say Father God, the next brother then kill for me. Now go hurt people. You see me? Then sure say if they make me find out, then me hurt them. And me hurt them wicked because same like
so you say when them run away, go back to the part when you say them run away and the program run. So there's a recording. So at any point you know and Crush Bread did squash the argument between him and Niah after they made the $1 million talk.
Then call Niah saying call him I use mind game upon him and tell him boy him good and this and that. And rare. You see me? Which is me I say to Niah, me I tell Niah say Niah no trust no man dog, that's why more you buy a piece of land. And start and build up your house dog because you don't see say yo, you're corruption. You see me? And in the same period that time, I stay and jump go back down on the farm. As here, when me there. You see? And I stay so bam and jump up in a May. Because in a May go be my birthday. You see me, when I jump up in a May, dog, I tell me so dog. And pussy are still a free me, no dog, I just got on time, you know.